dog in the water, approaching freaking geese.
It's chasing the geese. Oh, there's another Don't let it touch the camera. Don't let it touch the camera.
No, get away from the camera.
Hello. Hey, leave it alone. Let the owner tell us what to do. Okay? Stop.
You're just petting them.
It's not yours.
You never know what the dog could have.
I got wet. I got water over me. Okay, what happened to the dog? Oh, there it is over there. Don't do the water. There's a predator in the water. Oh, that's so cute.
It's right there.
That's so cute. Wait, let's film it.
Hey, I'm doing that. Now where are the geese? Okay, the geese are right there.
Oh my
Pupper.
gosh, this is cute.
Lightning pupper. I'm calling it lightning. Hi, lightning.
It is actually swimming. Hey, it's swimming up to the geese over there.
I've actually never seen a dog swim before. Well, I've seen a dog swim in a pool, but not actual like water.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it's going in a direct warpath to the geese.
Dog versus geese fight. Oh well, not yet.
Oh. Oh my gosh, it's going right for the...
Oh, there's two. There's another one. Another one's joining in.
OMG, this
There's two.
This is so
There's
cute.
two of them. The owner has one, and then they're two.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
It's a flanking maneuver.
Evasive maneuvers.
Oh my god, I am sending this to mom. I am
We're
sending this to my whole
This is
freaking
like one of
family.
those towers. Oh my
And
god,
Tom.
is this a good birthday present?
Oh, well, seeing little two puppies
my gosh.
swim, I think that's a pretty good birthday present.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh wait a minute, they're trying to catch it.
We're trying to finish with the dog back.
hey, it's possible they might be guard dogs.
No, she's training them.
Oh
Huh,
my gosh,
yeah.
they're trying to
She's
flank.
telling them what to do.
Hmm.
She's trying to get them to come
Hey,
back.
okay, I
Oh
can't
my gosh,
whistle.
Look, he's gaining.
I can't freaking whistle, but if I learned anything from the UK, it's that you whistle and like guide them around, like that. And two little geese right here. So yeah, just a dog chase.